It's a biggie, guys. We've been talking about the plan. We've been talking about the process. You got to do the one thing nobody ever wants to do.
Yep. You've got to start figuring out what you need to move with you.
Yep. And, when I did it, I started out with the guest room. Nobody ever used that room, but you'd be amazed at how much junk got stuck in there.
Absolutely.
I had an old chest of drawers that belonged to it was part of my daughter's crib set. Let's not get judgy now. It has been relocated to a new home. But every drawer in there was full of stuff. And you know what? We open the drawer to stick stuff in there, but you never open the drawer to take stuff out.
That is so true. Gosh.
13 years of stuff in there, and majority of it is either been recycled into whatever you use now or is at the bottom of the landfill. Let's not be judgy. Because there was nothing in there that was worth donating because it was not salvageable. Yeah. In fact, some of the stuff, this will entertain you, was my ex-husband's stuff from law school. I downsized in 23. He graduated law school in 96. No, I'm sorry, 97. Yes. Let that sink in. I have no idea why we still had that stuff.
Yeah.
But the only way you're going to get through this is take one room. You start with one piece of furniture, go through it, go to the next one, and then do Hail Mary, Mother of God, and you tackle the closet.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Just once a week, once a month, pick one task to take care of, and that's the way to succeed.
And again, my timeline was one room per week or 2 weeks. I gave myself plenty of time there. Because again, when you're working sometimes 50, 60 hours a week, the last thing you want to do is declutter. And the biggest challenge was my kids' rooms because they weren't living there anymore. But their closets were still full. Their drawers were still full. Under the bed was, oh my God, full.
Oh, don't even talk about under the bed.
And that's the other part too. The one thing that I wish I hadn't gotten rid of that seemed no purpose, 3 years ago, my grandma's old records.
Oh, vinyls.
They're now back. Who knew? I had a big box of vinyl records that you couldn't sell on eBay for maybe a penny a piece. I donated them all. And now those suckers are back.
Absolutely.
But you know what I don't have room for in my house?
Turntable.
No, grandmama's records. I don't have room for them. So, yeah, I hope whoever bought them at the thrift store is enjoying them. Yeah, you can dance like grandma did. Do the little shuffle. So, all right, guys, you're going to go, it's going to be tough. One room. And like David says, if you're going to eat the elephant one bite at a time.
Only way.
I prefer it to be milk chocolate elephant, though. Yeah. So take your time. You'll be fine. I promise. So till next time.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.